Hello, good day viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to calculate a radius. And the question on the board say, if the volume of a sphere is 19 centimeter cube, calculate the radius at 3 decimal places. So we are asked to calculate the radius of a sphere. So solution. So please, if you are watching my video for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. So if the volume of a sphere is 19 centimeter cube, that means our volume here now is 19 centimeter cube, and we are asked to calculate the radius of that sphere. So first thing to do, we are going to use formula for volume to calculate our radius, and the formula is where volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. And this r here represents my radius. V is the volume. Volume is given already from the question as 19 centimeter cube, and the 4 over 3 is constant, and the pi is constant in Nigeria is 22 over 7. It's a constant. The constant value for pi is 22 over 7, and the radius we are asked to calculate the radius. So from here now I can make the radius the subject of the formula, or I can substitute my data directly to this formula. So what I mean is the volume is given from the question. Let's say if the volume of a sphere is 19 centimeter cube, that's my volume now is 90, is equal to this 4 divided by 3 is constant, and the pi. So there's multiplication in between this. So and the pi is 22 over 7 is constant, then multiply by radius cube. So from here now I can went further to simplify. This is 90 will be equal to, you can see 4 multiplied by 22, I'll have 88, then 3 multiplied by 7, which is 21, then multiply by radius cube. So from here now, from here I can say, I can cross multiply because there's a quality sign in between this. So I can cross multiply. Okay, before then I can say since 90 is equals to this, so I can say this is also equal to 90. It's still the same. So I can say 88 over 21 multiplied by radius cube will equal to 90. So it's still the same. So from here now, I can say this 90 over 1 is still the same. 90 divided by 1 is still 90. So from here now, I can cross multiply. So what I mean by cross multiply, so I can say this 88 r cube multiplied by 1, it will still give me 88 r cube, because any number times 1 is that number. Then this equality sign is equal to, then 21 multiplied by 90 will give me 1890. So from here now, this r cube, and we are asked to look for the radius. So I can divide both sides by the coefficient of our radius of r cube here, which is the coefficient is 88, and this is 88. So that this 88 can go with this 28. So this place will be left with r cube, and the r cube now will be equal to 1819 divided by 88. We have 21.4773. So this r cube, remember, is not radius. So we are going to do something to eliminate this cube so that we can get our radius. So I can say we should take the cube root of both sides, because this is cube root. We should take the cube root of both sides. So if you take the cube root of r cube, this will cancel. So it will remain only radius, which is equals to cube root of 21.4773. So my r now be equal to cube root of 21.4773 will give me 2.7797. And the question say we should calculate each radius at 3 decimal places. So we are going to convert this to 3 decimal places. My radius now will be equal to 2.123 and remember we can approximate 1 from here to this place. If you approximate, this place will become 10, so we can still approximate. We have 80, so this is centimeter cube. So this is the radius of a sphere when the volume is 19 centimeter cube. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share this video.